Hi, it's Neil. Welcome to my office. And today I have, this is the fruit wedger. And so you've probably seen these things before where it's the apple things where you push it down on the apple and it cuts it into 8 segments. Well, I found this one here, and this one here actually has, if you look at it, it goes into 16 segments because I like them thin because I'll stick them in the dehydrator a lot of times. And so I bought this one here, so we're gonna take a look at it. I'm not gonna actually be able to test it right now because I don't have any apples here at my house. But I'll write in the comments below and stuff and let you know how it goes. But let's take a look at it and see how it is, and I can kind of compare it because I've been using these things for forever. So this is what it looks like, and let me see it. Oh yeah, it's got little blades on the bottom of it. You can kind of see they're sharp little things. So I think this one's gonna cut through pretty good, but you kind of just push it down on the apple. Probably gonna have to push a little harder because it's cutting into 16 segments instead of 8. But what I liked about this one too is it comes with this. So as I push it down, as long as I line it up correctly, usually when you push it down, you've got the end that doesn't quite, it's still stuck in there. They still got a few of the little things, so you gotta kind of pick them all off. But this, because this one here's got those little indents in there, so once you push it down on there, and it looks like it lines up with the arrows and stuff like that, so you push it down, and then it'll push all the little, you can't see, but it'll see when I push it in there, it'll push all the little segments through. So it's kind of cool that it'll do that for me. So I'm looking forward to using that, so it'll push all the little segments through. Oh, it actually lines up this way, is the way it lines up best, but see, it slides right in there and goes through and pushes up. So I'm looking forward to using this. I'm gonna probably go buy some apples later today, so I'll let you know how it goes. But I like it, and this one here is the, Grip Easy Fruit Wedger. So that's what it is there, the Grip Easy Grip Easy Fruit Wedger. And I'm gonna put a link to this in the description so you guys can pick one up for yourself. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I'll be back with some more cool things that I get to review soon. Bye.